I met someone and checked her background, and I feel that it's time that I at least ask my friends and supporters to vote for her. Her name is Michelle Thomason. She's district judge in Baldwin County, Alabama, and she works as a circuit judge at times. She's handled everything, all sorts of cases, domestic, and she's walked the walk.
Today I'm with Judge Michelle Thomason from Baldwin County, and you're running for a state judgeship. Tell us what you're running for.
I'm running for the Court of Civil Appeals, Place 1. It's a position that's currently being held by Judge Craig Pittman, who's retiring, and I'm honored that Judge Pittman has endorsed me as his replacement in this race.
That's great. Tell us a little about yourself.
Okay. I'm currently a trial judge down in Baldwin County. I've been on the bench for 12 years. I do a lot of different type work. I was appointed by Governor Bob Riley in 2006 as a district judge, and I'm actually the presiding district judge down there. But I was also specially appointed as a circuit judge, so I've handled all kind of cases for the 12 years I've been on the bench. I also have an extensive business background. I have a business degree. I was in banking and finance for 10 years before I went to law school, and then for 11 years I handled civil litigation cases. So pretty much for 24 years handling exactly the type of cases that this court handles.
Tell us some about what the Court of Civil Appeals, for those that don't know, what type of cases they rule on.
Yeah, so what the Court of Civil Appeals does is it handles the cases that are appealed from trial judges all over the state, civil cases, and they review those rulings of those judges and decide if those judges made a good decision or not. That's one reason I think it's very important that a judge on that court have been a civil trial judge and have that experience. But what most people don't know is that between 75 and 80% of the cases that court handles are family law cases. When Judge Pittman was going to retire, I was approached from some folks and asked to run for this position. Some folks on that court, in fact, and I think the reason that I was approached was because I have a particular skill set that they think will make me will be a good asset to that court because of my business background, but also because mostly what I've done for 24 years is deal with children and families issues in family court. So that's a really important and critical component of that court, and one that that I really have a passion for and a heart for, and I'm looking forward to the opportunity to take that from Baldwin County statewide.
What's some of the things that stand out to you as being a judge that you've enjoyed?
Well, I love my job. I would have never pursued this probably on my own if I hadn't been contacted. Actually, this is the third time that I've been contacted asking me to consider this. I really love the work I do with children and families, but I will tell you one of the most fulfilling things I think I've ever done as an adult, short of raising my son, was to start one of the first veterans treatment courts in the state of Alabama. I had a veteran in my court. I'd never heard of them before, but I had a veteran in my court who needed something different from me putting him in jail. So I started doing some research, and I learned about these courts. I'd spent about a year working on getting it started, and now I'm on a state task force that has a mission to try to put one in every jurisdiction in the state. So I go around and train judges and other folks on how to start these courts. In fact, today I spoke to the Houston County Bar Association to help them learn how to start a veterans court here in Houston County, and I'm really hopeful that they will get that started soon. But I'll tell you a little bit. The court basically is a program to take a veteran who has issues related to his or her service that has caused them to get in trouble with the criminal justice system. So we replace their punishment or incarceration with treatment and rehabilitation. And once they complete their treatment and they show that they can handle continued compliance, we dismiss their charges and we allow them to regain that place in our community of honor that they deserve to be in. So that's definitely been one of the things that I've really, really enjoyed doing.
Do you have a website if people want more information on you?
I do. The website is judgethomasonforalabama.com. A lot of information about me is on that site. We also have some videos, some commercials on Facebook. If you just search for Judge Michelle Thomason, you can find our page. like that page, and hopefully if you believe in what we do and what I can continue to do if I'm elected to this position, you'll grab those videos or some of our posts and please share them with all of your friends all over the state so we can help get our message out.
Thank you. Welcome to being in Houston County today.
Thank you. Enjoyed it.